Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
This is the thing most competitive. This is the only difference because we try to play the same style of football, but I think FC Goa is the most competitive team than other years. I come here for 2 years, and okay, let's see. But now I'm very happy. I think that I take the right decision in this moment, and I'm very happy here. I think the football in India improved a lot in 6 years. When I come here the first season, the football was very fast. Okay, sometimes very competitive, but tactical was a disaster. Now the football is close to European football. It's more tactic. It's very difficult to take chance to score a goal. The teams are very close. I think this is the most important thing for Indian football.
As I said always, maybe I'm a little repetitive, but it's going to be tough for them and also for us. We go to play in a very good environment, in a very good stadium, against a team with that they play very aggressive, with a lot of intensity. But we are going there to play fearless, confidence, absolutely confidence in us, but knowing that it's not going to be easy. So if we think that now everything is going to be easy, we are going to commit a mistake. The game on Sunday, I think, is going to be the toughest of all we have played till now, and we're going to face on that way.